Kenny here with Gardening Simplified. It's February 10th. We're out here in the garden trying to get a lot of stuff done. Like I say, we was going to convert this part of the garden to fruit trees. Now we're not doing the farmer's market. It's kind of a little bit too much space, but we figured we'd go ahead and utilize this. We're pulling up the drip lines and the walkways. We are going to come in here with the tractor and till this, and then we're going to come in and set our fruit trees up. But there's quite a bit. Of course, it looks pretty clean right now, most of it, but Vicky's been cleaning out the vines from the watermelons and stuff, and we got a little pile here. We'll take these over to the compost bin. Let's come over here. We're going to look in the citrus greenhouse while we're here. Some of this stuff did get pretty cold. The heater had a problem with the pilot going out, so we did have a bunch of leaves drop off of some of these, but they're coming back. The bananas, it didn't kill them. You can see it's putting out a new leaf there. It did toast up some of the mangoes, the leaves on them. It did get down to 23. This avocado, it's going to have to bend to put its leaves back on. Some of them it didn't affect at all. They seem to be a little more hardy, but some of them it did. But what we're doing is coming up here. We've got a few fruit trees we've decided to add. We're going to get a few more, but got some apples, some peach, plums, and a couple of cherries. We'll see how they do. But we've got to get this area cleaned up. Plus, today we're going to go ahead and till up our area for potatoes, because mid-February is our time to plant our our potato sprouts. So we're going to put those things in the ground. But you can see some of these trees. This was a blood orange grown from a seed, and this one tends to take the cold real good. It did leave a few leaves, but it's really doing good, and it's really coming back with a bunch of small leaves on there. But that's where we're sitting right now. We'll get to work on this other. Well, it's February 12th. I know we started this on the 10th. We got this tilled up yesterday. Finally got all the walkways out and the drip system and all that. Now, what we're going to do today is we're going to lime this, and then we'll till it one more time. And then this area will be ready for our orchard. But while we're doing this, and there's been a lot of other things going on. Of course, we're still putting the engine in the Yukon. And we tilled up the area for our potatoes, which we'll be doing that here in a couple of days, putting out our potatoes, and we'll do a video on that. But let's take a look and see what's going on in the greenhouse. I don't want to make this video too long. In the greenhouse here, of course, everything's looking green. That's the way it's supposed to be. Bok choy's looking great. Mitch Healy's looking great. Our next batch of broccoli is looking terrific. Spinach is looking good. We put out our transplants. We got our celery here. We've got some parsley there. We've got our marjoram there. And then we've got our next batch of lettuce coming on here. Mustard greens are looking good. Our next batch of carrots are looking good. We're going to plant some more carrots today for a succession crop. And you need to consider that if you're wanting to eat fresh carrots as you go. If you're just going to do some preserving, you might just do one crop. But our turnips are looking good. I kind of seeded them a little too thick. Cauliflower is doing good. Over here, our next batch of radishes is looking good. You can see our cilantro's coming back from where we cut this out. It looks like we should have a good bit. We've got one big cilantro there. And these beets, we've harvested a few, still harvesting on these. I've moved my seedlings out here to the greenhouse. If it's going to get really cold, below 40, I'll bring them in just for a spare, or for a little bit. But I want them to go ahead and get used to the cold, used to the hot sun, which they're in the greenhouse, so they won't get full sun. But our other broccoli is doing good. We've been picking sprouts. In fact, some of them's been big as small heads. Or ones going to seed here are looking good. They've got a lot of side sprouting coming up. These is getting ready to flower. Our other spinach it's getting a little big. It's still good and edible, but we need to clear it out. We'll put something else in here. Our other broccoli, the succession crop that we harvested, we've been picking a few sprouts on it. It's coming on. And still getting a turnip or two in there. Our filterkraut cabbage is really looking good. And we're going to pick a little mustard for the chickens. We're not ready to eat any. Our next batch of red beets are looking good. We hadn't even checked to see if there's any size. These cabbages, some of them's ready to harvest, and we'll do that. And the golden beets are looking good. And we stuck our deal down here at the end of this row. So that's how we're looking. We'll keep going. We've got quite a bit going on. We're still trying to clean up limbs from the freeze, which that's going to be a side journey too. We don't get in a hurry. We're retired, so it does make it easier on us, but we jump from job to job. That way nothing gets boring, and hopefully everything gets done. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed this update. We'll do another when we start putting these trees in the ground, do a little talking about that. We also had to stop, and I almost got to the point to where I forgot to prune my fruit trees, and a lot of them, because the weather's a little bit warmer, I can see the buds start swelling on some of the plum trees and stuff. So we got that done. Only thing we got left to do is prune our few peach trees. Hopefully they're not swelling up too much. But that's where we're at. I hope you enjoyed this update. And of course, if you want to see more content like this, hit that subscribe and hit the bell. Give it a big thumbs up and share this video. And of course, let me know how your garden's doing. Enjoy that gardening experience.